رمضان تجلى وابتسما طوبى للعبد إذا تنما.
Tasting of food to check salt, etc. This does not break the fast. Is there a limit to how many times can one taste, and who can taste it? Who can taste it? Anyone. There is a difference between tasting and eating. A taste is done at the tip of your tongue. So you can find the taste and spit any residue or any food in it. Eating would be to take a morsel, yeah, that's good, and you swallow it. So how many times can I taste at the tip of my tongue the amount of salt or pepper or whatever? There's no specific times. You can do this as many as you wish, providing you don't swallow it, you spit it out. Who can do it? Anyone can do that. There's no problem in it because the taste does not impact your prayer. When I make wudu, I turn the water in my mouth and I spit the water. I can still feel that there is a taste of water with my saliva. Should I keep on spitting and spitting? No. Just spitting out the water in your mouth is sufficient. Don't become obsessive about it. Khalas, you spit out the water, this is enough. What about the taste? The taste has no impact on you, inshallah.